Every light begins with an idea, a question of how nature, design, and emotion can live together. Aura was born from this thought, a light not only to see, but to feel. In Italy, design begins in the small rituals of the day. A coffee, a quiet moment of light. From these pauses come ideas, and from ideas, creation. From the first turn of the lathe to the final touch by hand, design becomes dialogue. Between material and maker, between idea and light. Each aura carries the story of its wood, carved by time, finished by light. Marked with our name, it becomes more than an object. It becomes a companion. Aura, light for life.